Guys, in today's video I'm going to share with you a exact trading setup which you potentially can use for the next trade right here on Bitcoin. I'm going to show you exactly where to enter, where you should have your stop loss, and how much risk to reward you actually could have on this trade. I also want to have a talk about a trade that I'm looking at over on XRP that is going to be very interesting. And today as well, because it's Monday, I'm going to announce the winner of the giveaway from Will Portal. So guys, let's jump straight into it. Of course, before we are zooming in on Bitcoin, any chart, make sure to smash up that like button. That is very much appreciated. And if you are new right here to the channel, make sure to subscribe, join the community, and yeah, become as well a profitable trader. First of all, guys, let's quickly announce the giveaway winner. That is today or tomorrow. I've tagged her in this tweet. I've sent her as well a DM. So if you are watching this, please check your DM and send me your US dollar Tether address, and I will send you the funds right away. Then guys, let's have a look at Bitcoin. I'm looking at a trade right now in Bitcoin. That is that we are trading in this rising channel. As you can see right here, most of the time when we touch support, we get a bounce, and when we touch resistance, we come back down. So the structure is still intact. Bitcoin hasn't lost the structure, broke out to the downside or broke out to the upside. Of course, if that will happen, then the plan of this trade will also change, because this trade is based on Bitcoin remaining in the structure. Right now we are touching the support, and what we are seeing when touching the support is actually quite interesting. We get a bullish divergence over on the relative strength index, so we get the price moving sideways, and we get the relative strength index going up. That is a divergence showing that there is some bullish momentum boiling up in the background right here, which can be expressed shortly, maybe in the next coming days, that we are seeing a move up in the price of Bitcoin. Sometimes, do take in mind, it can be a bearish signal if we lose the support. So when the RSI is going up right here and we are losing the support, and we are also losing the support on the relative strength index, then that will create a lot of bearish momentum right here for a breakdown. So that is also why we have a very clear invalidation for this trade, which I will show you in a bit. And another sign that I'm watching, guys, is over on Will Portal, and that is that the average funding fee is at this moment negative, which means that the average funding fee of multiple contracts, multiple exchanges, is basically right now negative. We also see that the Bitcoin exchange balance has lost a lot of Bitcoins basically on exchanges, which generally tends to be a bullish sign. So when this metric is increasing, there is a increased risk of selling, and right now we basically don't have that increased risk of selling. No, we actually see less and less Bitcoin on exchanges. So that is also another sign that I just want to point out that I think is quite interesting. And the premium index as well, showing us that we had a very extreme reading. That was at the beginning right here, roughly. But we often see that the premium index is signaling a reversal. So we also had it right here. We got the premium index firing off right here, a very extreme. But then the price still went slightly up and then saw that reversal. So that is just something that I'm taking into consideration. So I don't take any one signal as a definite or decisive signal. No, I take all of these signals in a basket of indicators like here. So we got negative funding, which is basically a confirming potential upside. We got a Bitcoin balance on exchanges going down, confirming potential upside. We got the price structure touching support, confirming potential upside. We got a bullish divergence confirming that as well. So I hope you understand a little bit how that thinking process goes. When you get a lot of these confirming signals, you can actually be more sure, but you can never be certain. So it's still important that you are like water, like Bruce Lee. So whenever something changes right here, that you can flip your bias. It's very important. But that you also know that as of this moment, with all these signals that we are seeing on Will Portal and in the charts, the chances are more likely for Bitcoin to go up. basically, based on historical price action. But in life and in trading, there is no certainty. You gotta embrace the uncertainty, because that's what trading is all about. It's just all about accepting that uncertainty and work with it. Same as any CEO of a company or any entrepreneur, everybody has to work with uncertainty. If you cannot accept that, it's better to look for a full-time job, basically. But let's have a look at the trade setup. We can open a long position from the levels that we are trading right now. This is actually not that bad. We can set the stop loss below the low right here. That would be at 19,000. Let's say 19, depending a little bit on which chart, which exchange you are trading. Let's say 19,039, and we can set the target. Basically, you can take profits along the way. So we can set the ultimate target right here at the top, which would be at roughly, let me scroll a little bit up right here, guys. The top target would be at 20,580. That is not the exact top, because there are a lot of traders are watching that level. So I'm never a fan of like take profit at the perfect exact level. I think it's always important to take profits along the way and assess when needed. So I think it's also nice if you can take some profit in the middle of the channel. If we, for example, break above the middle, then lose the middle again, definitely that is a good moment to take profits. So depending a little bit on how this is going to shape. But guys, in the best case scenario, we can take profits at the top of the channel, I think, so around 20,500. This right here has a risk to reward ratio of 4.29. So yeah, for me, it's definitely worth it. Have a tight stop loss. If we do have a breakdown, then yeah, you get stopped out. And if we do get a small breakdown and break back into this channel, then that is only a more bullish signal. As you can see right here as well, small breakdown, break back is most of the time a signal for a opposite direction. So that is what I'm watching right now, guys. This is the next trade that I'm basically watching on Bitcoin. This trade I already shared yesterday over on the Will Portal Twitter. So let's go to the Will Portal Twitter. Let me show you guys. Yesterday I've actually shared this trade right here. Potential long forming on Bitcoin. We got an uprising channel, bullish divergence, leaving the green support zone. Slightly different with the risk to reward, but here you can see in the image that I basically also shared the entry, the stop loss, and the take profit. So if you want to have more of these trading setups, make sure to follow Will Portal. I will also share them right here on the videos, but it might be possible, for example, like right now, that we already shared it over on Will Portal, due to the fact that it's just a little bit easier and quicker to share it over on this Twitter. Guys, I also want to thank you everybody for joining this giveaway and helping to give this community a huge boost. We are seeing a significant increase in the amount of users on Will Portal, and we just surpassed the 1,000 following mark on Twitter, which is just awesome, guys. I want to thank every single one of you, because it's because of you that we can grow this community and that we can actually expand this platform. So guys, thank you very much. Then let's go to Ripple. I just want to share a thing that I'm seeing on Ripple, a trade that I'm watching, and that is that we are trading in this declining channel right here, something similar as we have seen in 2018. And yeah, we do see a random bounce in Ripple, but I think I'm going to try and catch a potential short position the moment we are reaching the top of this channel. So of course, if we then break out, I will get stopped out of my short position and I will have some losses. However, I want to bet on the fact that we are getting rejected right here. I don't think it is likely to get that breakout, so I'm going to look to short. If you want to know exactly when I'm going to short and at which levels, make sure to subscribe to this channel. Make sure to follow Will Portal over on Twitter. There's a link down below in the description, and I will share more information about this trade over there, because this trade is not there yet, but it's coming, potentially coming very, very soon. Guys, that was it for today's video. If you're interested in trading Ripple or trading Bitcoin, I'm recommending a lot of exchanges down below this video. And if you sign up on one of these exchanges using the specific affiliate link that it is down below, you will get an additional bonus. On some, you will get discount on your fees, some even 0% fees. And that user ID you can use later to get access to a extra feature over on the Will Portal dashboard. So it's very much appreciated if you join one of these platforms using my affiliate link down below, and you as a user and part of the community will also get extra perks for doing so. So guys, very much appreciated. I want to wish all of you an awesome day today, and I hope to see every single one of you in the next video.